Morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot's pre-market analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market insights. Today, we'll start with S&P 500. We are still bullish in the market, but we are seeing the market in exhaustion level. Means buyers are not able to push the market higher. Yesterday jump, which was market almost lost the gain of yesterday. That also shows the market is reaching to the tipping point at the top. Okay. Although there is a little bit of more upside left, okay, before there is a pullback. What we are looking at, we are looking for the weakening supply. 0.1, 0.2, weakening supply is almost ended. What will happen moving forward? The market will take a dump, but not yet. Okay, we have more time left before the market dump. So what will happen most likely? I'm looking for market to dump around a 635, 639 area, not before that. Okay, so continue going higher and higher as long as we are holding the 9 EMA right in this area. Do not buy the put. Do not short the S&P 500. As soon as the first candle closes below the 9 EMA, then you take the short position and short the put. Other way of playing the safe with the S&P 500, you short the share, but you buy the long call as covered your position. Okay, let's say you are shorting 100 share at 635, then buy the call of 640 for the following 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Okay, that give you the advantage to have protected from the downside. So do not short the market yet. There is a more juice left in the markets, but we are reaching to the exhaustion level. You will see the market dump moving forward. Okay, that's S&P 500. Moving forward to Tempest, we have triple short. Market is spinning at the bottom right here. Probably this candle, this is where the market will take a reverse. Okay, we are in wave 2 in the pullback. So this right here was wave 1 all the way. So if you look at from here, this was wave 1, and this is wave 2, which is the golden level retracement of this one. The wave 1, and you see that we are in the golden level. We have retested the golden zone of the Fibonacci level. Wave 3, 4, 5. Let me just put it correctly. So wave 3 will be upside right here, more kind of this one. Then again pull back in this area, and then wave 5. So we are bullish on this one. What we are looking at is a 5-3-5-3 pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in the reversal, we are looking at 3. 1, 2, 3. So in wave 3, there will be 5 pattern upside. 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. This is the pattern the market is following. So wave 3, there will be 5 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upside inside a wave. Okay, off the wave 3. So we are bullish on Tempest AI. We have triple short. We have collected enough money on this one. What we are looking at the bottom, we were looking at around a 52.55 upside. The way this trend will end at 11853, but we are not looking to trade this all the way to 1183. There is no guarantee that it will. Generally, what happens, the wave, if the wave has to fail, then wave 3 will fail. Okay, market never fails at wave 4 or wave 5. Market will fail always at 3 because then it converted into inverted A, B, and C. So what we are looking at, we are looking for 78, 75 area. This is the area that we want to exit. $25 from here all the way. So 57 to 75. This is the zone we want to trade and we'll be out. And then we'll reassess when we reach to this area. Okay. So this is this box. This is the area we want to trade. We'll continue adjusting our old trade, keep booking profit. We've booked the profit multiple times on this one. All short put, triple, 3x leverage. We'll continue shorting put on every single day the stock goes up. Again, you will see that today we'll open in profit. So right now 55.89, we shorted the put yesterday and day before. So all those will turn green again. Okay, we'll continue doing that. Every time the position goes in profit, we close and then we short another strike price where the volatility is very high. SMCI, we closed the trade yesterday for profit. We are out. That was our price target. So our price target was 50.82. That's what we were looking to hit. We have closed all our trade on SMCI. We've been trading this since right here from $40 down to the $20, all the way back to the $50. We knew it. This is what will happen. 7th of November around, I alerted that this stock will go to $60 and it's heading into 60. So right now trading at 53. There is a more upside left around $60. That's the maximum upside here. right here. It will mitigate this order block, sell side order block. Right here, you will see the wick right here and then pull back. So what will happen? The price will be outside of channel. If I draw the channel, then you'll be able to understand. So right here, this is where we are heading, this channel. So what will happen? Touch point number 1, 2, 3. This is where the wave 5 will finish. Okay. So right here in this area, this, which is 60 zone, you must exit SMCI and no more trade. If you like, we are already out, but if anyone who is listening and are still trading, do not trade after this point. We are looking at A, B, and C dump back into 200 EMA, like 43, 45 area, from 60 to 45. This kind of supply you will see, this kind of area. Not as fast because there is no negative news now, but you will see a declining, slow decline right in this area, like 200 EMA area, right here. So price will go up to 60 and then slow zigzag ABC. A, B, and C pattern, roughly like here in a 45 area, most likely. It will not drop below 45. So this is not ever going back to $20. But yes, anywhere from 60 to 45, that will be the new range for the pullback. And once it comes to 45 area, 46 area, again, we'll start loading for the long position. But around 60, we'll be shorting the calls. Moving forward to RIVN. This is the stock that you want to accumulate. Okay, this was wave 1 right here, wave 2 retracement. We are sitting almost at the bottom. We have this candle and the market is able to hold it continuously for last almost, I'm looking on a daily time frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, the market has been respecting this support line. So what we are looking at, price spin moving forward towards $15 and $17 upside right here. Worst case, 1185, 11 this box, I already have it. This is an absolute bottom where the stock will be oversold. If you look at the RSI, it's already on near 25. So what will happen if the price drop further into this box? It will be completely oversold, and you don't want to miss that kind of opportunity when the stock is completely oversold on a daily time frame. Okay. Moving forward to bull, we have added a position. We have been continuously trading. We booked the profit once in last 1 week. Second time we opened the trade yesterday. Okay, we are not buying the share on this one. We have shorted the put, but looking at the price today, 1225, that was the initial price target to buy the share. It's good to add the share. However, it's a new stock in the market. It's a new listing. So what you do, you buy 10% down. You do not go all in on this kind of stock, which is new IPO, okay? Because they can be targeted by the short seller in a big time. So what do? You continue buying downward. Let's say you are buying 500 share at $12, then another 500 you buy around 10 area, which is around 20% down. If you are lucky, you get it right here and then a bounce back. That's it. So we are looking for this area. There is a possibility of this retest the previous bottom, equal low, and then shoot up. Okay, but it's good to buy in this area. A little bit of correction happens after you take the position. It should be all right, because it's not practically possible to catch the bottom by the pennies. Even if, let's say, you are buying at 12.25 right now, and then it goes to 11.85 or 11.50, and then bounce upward towards $15. So it's all right. That's how you hold a long position. A little bit of correction, you do not take the stop loss. You hold your position when you know that what you are holding. Okay, you should already know that this has a potential to go to 10.18, equal low, double bottom number 1, bottom number 2, and this will be like this, right in this area, fractal into $18. So when you know that this had a potential to go to $10.18, then you should not take a stop loss. Even if you are buying at $12, you know that that's where it's going, and add another, double down your position at 10.18, and then continue holding your position for the recovery. Moving forward to Delta, when it was trading at $49, $47 area, we were bullish on the Delta Airlines. Now we are bearish. We have reached the tipping point. Okay. This is the price target we were looking at. On earning, I clearly mentioned it's bullish. It will break out, and sure enough, God candle right here. So what we are looking at, we are looking at wave 5 completion right here. Okay. So this was the breakout we were looking to trade during the earning, the previous high. Okay, we were looking to take down this one, and that's what exactly happened. Why we were looking for the breakout is right here. This breakout gave us the confirmation the stock is bullish, but we have reached the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. the stock has already reached to the top, and it's due for correction into 50 area. So right now trading at 56, it has already dropped from 58 back into 56 now. There is a more downside left, which is probably anywhere from 51 right in this area, Fibonacci golden zone, but 50.40. So roughly in this area you will see, okay, 50.40, 49 area. So if it once it's dropped to this area, we are a buyer again for the long position. Till then, from this area downside, we will not trade because overall market has been pumped. So this area we will avoid trading. 49 area will be taking a long position again and then continue riding towards support. But right here, there is a retracement due. Okay. This gap, if you pay attention, the earning gap, which is left unfilled so far, right in this area. This green candle, the God candle, which is the big candle came on the earning. This gap has to be mitigated sooner or later. And you will see this, the spinning candle on the top will take this down. So price will behave something like this and then like this, okay, in extension right here. Okay, so you should be careful in this area. There is a little bit of drop coming down, and around 49 area again take the long position. Okay, moving forward to HIMS, we are bullish. We have been bullish for last 1 week to 10 days. Since this drop, we have been buying this one. We called the bottom at 40.54 precise. We caught it right same day we bought it, and we have been trading continuously. We are shorting the put, we are not buying the share, and we'll continue doing this. Okay, so what we are looking at, continue bullish. We have a TIMA bullish, we have a RSI bullish, we have a golden cross on the HIMS. We are looking for continue upside towards 67, 64 area right here. So until then, we are definitely trading until this point. Sell side order block mitigation on the top side, take down equal high, as well as fill the gap of the hard sell-off. Okay, so there is a lot of bullish sign here. Another thing, if you look at this sell-off was not random, you know, it exactly happened when it was needed. Okay, so this was wave 1 and wave 2 was failing to struggle. Okay, so this become the wave 2 and now we are in wave 3 like this. So we are bullish. It will continue pushing higher. If you look at the linear regression channel, the channel is upward, stock is bullish. This line I'm talking about, the resistance. Linear regression top line always works as a resistance by default because it's a channel of the support and resistance. So downside, hardly any at this point, but there's a lot of upside on HIMS. There will be a recovery. First, we will fill this gap, retest the Fibonacci golden area. This area, also the POC line, the red line right here, this red line coming. POC line, point of control. Once the price comes to 54, 55 area, then there will be a deciding factor whether it will continue or not. You will see a lot of undecided candle right in this area, like the previous happened. If you look at right here, this is the kind of candle you will see in this right here. This you see undecided candle, another one, 3 candle right here, another one in this area. Right in this area, when we come between 54 to 57, you'll see again more of a consolidation. Okay, and then there will be a breakout. Right now, we can't say which side the breakout will happen, but we'll see when the price reaches to 54 to 57 area. There will be a lot of spinning candle, and then there will be a breakout. We'll do the analysis once we reach to 57, 56 area. Okay, but till then, keep shorting puts, keep collecting money. We are bullish on this one. Okay, moving forward to Tesla. We are bullish on Tesla. Since I dumped my position at 355.58 right in this area, I was bearish. So 291.03, that was the resistance, a hard resistance on this one. If you look at the right one here, so support changed into resistance this point. So that's why the 291 is very, very important. So point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, here it was working a resistance, support. So multiple time the price is respecting this one, either side. If the price is above, it's bouncing off 291.03. If it's down, it's getting rejected from 291.03. Now we are off, and we knew it. This is the point we were monitoring here. And right away when the next candle closed up, this candle, which was on 8th of July, we knew it. The stock is bullish right here, because once the candle bounce off the support line and closes the complete one-day candle opening and closing above the support line, stock right away turns into bullish, and we continue towards what we are looking at now. Very interesting. Two different price target we are looking at, 321 and 339. Same way like 291 is working. Another one right here is 339 is also working as a very strong resistance. So right now the price is in between 291 to 339. Most likely there will be announcement of the Roadster new model car in the earning call, okay, which is coming on 23rd of July after the market closed. So there is a possibility of breaking out at the earning outside. We are in a symmetrical triangle. If I draw the line, this one, this symmetrical triangle, and the another one here. So what will happen? Right now we are looking at upside right here, 331 area, then pull back, and whether this time it will break out or one more pullback into 310 and then break out. It's a bullish symmetrical triangle. If it's breakout upside, you are looking for a lot of like a massive move upside towards 404 or 444 area. Once it break out, right now it's not breaking out. So we are not looking for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, a breakout. Yes, 23rd of July onward, we will see the breakouts. But when it break out upside or downside, there will be a big move. It's not going to be like this one. If it break out downside, straight into 246, it break out upside, straight $440. There is no stop in between after this symmetrical triangle breakouts. Okay, moving forward to Bitcoin. Let's say what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is showing the weakness at the top. So all the bulls are calling this as the high, but this was not the high of this cycle. Definitely, we are definitely waiting for the pullback to buy. We do not have a position in the Bitcoin. Give me a second. So what we were looking at, this candle, we knew it, the market will pull back. And when the price was here, I tweeted that it will not sustain. Why it will not sustain? So very interesting factor. Once you see the price bounce off like this, like continue going up, big candle, but at the top of the linear regression and outside of the channel, you see the big wick. That's the indication that the liquidity swap has happened. And this candle, particularly right here, when it shoot up 123, 14th of July, this wick is representing the liquidity swap. Right away, all-time high. There are a lot of people, those who are stuck for months buying all-time high, and they just wanted to offload everything as soon as they come into profit, because everyone knows Bitcoin is volatile and they will get a better entry. No matter how high it goes, still you will get a better entry. And that's the reason that as soon as it came here, people dumped their position. Okay, price spin, undecided candle right now. Nobody can say whether it's going up or down because this candle has no direction. It's a non-directional candle right now. But what we are looking at, downside, we are looking anywhere from $98,000. Upside, we are looking for $139,000. That's the new bracket of the stock, of the Bitcoin. All the way from 139. This is the area. It's not breaking out of 139 and it's not going down below $98,000. So forget about 70 or 60 if you think, or anyone on Twitter says it will crash to $80. It's not going to happen. It will not drop below $98,000 now. So $94,000 price target is off the chart, because higher the price push, same time the bottom price will keep coming upward, right? So when we were trading right here in this 110, 117,000 area, if there is a sell-off in 117,000 area, then the bottom was 94. But now it's pushed higher, so the bottom is coming up along with the price going up. So now $98,000. Okay. Worst case, you will see 200 EMA retest. That's it. This is where the bottom is. Because what will happen, you need to understand, there are a lot of people, those who could not buy. As soon as it will drop to 97, people will go crazy. There are a lot of people who will be taking loss, liquidate their position, but there are a lot of people who are sitting with cash like us, you know, and waiting it to come to 97. We'll be jumping all over the place once it's come. And that's what makes it. People will try to defend this 200 EMA line, okay? So that's where the maximum people will pump the money in the markets, in the Bitcoin. Everybody wants to have a share of the pie. So this is what people are waiting for. There will be definitely there will be a pullback. It's not going to go continue like this. There will be multiple pullback and the multiple sell-off. You will see that even no matter what institution buy. There are a lot of Bitcoin miner. They are offloading their position because they are in profit and they need cash to run the show. Salary, office, rent, electricity, this, that, taxes. So they, whatever the Bitcoin they are mining, they are offloading in the markets. Okay, doesn't matter. A lot of people are talking about supply shock, this one, that one. No, there are enough Bitcoin supply in the market. Especially there is a shift Retail investors generally cannot hold their position when they turn into profit. You need to have this thing clear in your minds. Retail investor, let's say someone bought the Bitcoin, he's in $1,000 profit, he want to take it. He cannot hold, even if he knows that this is going to $193,000, retail investor is not able to hold that position. So they dump. And that's what's going on. So there is a lot of supply, Okay. So do not panic that it's going to $1 million. There will be much better entry to buy. Moving forward to ADA. Right when we took the entry at 0.51, we knew it. This is going to 0.81. We have been waiting for the entry since our dump. We are looking for a little bit of retracement in this area. Okay, as soon as we have a retracement on daily time frame right here into 64, 65 area, we'll be loading again. Right now, we are day trading this one. We have not stopped trading. Even we dumped our position at 0.69. Since then, we have been day trading on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the best time frame for day trading, 5 minutes. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the kind of jump. We traded this one yesterday right here. So not this one. This was tonight. So this jump, this one. Yeah. I've been trading these all of them one by one. So traded this one, then traded this one. Okay, then not traded this one because this was in the night. So now we'll be trading another one. Okay, so what we are looking at now, 7550. Right here, we are looking for a little bit of retracement in this area. Okay, once the retracement comes towards 74.20, 200 EMA retest again this point, like point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Higher upside. If you look at the channel is upside and this trend line is bullish. Again, when the sell-off come to in this area, again we will buy. So there is like 1 cent you can trade on a day trade. Okay, it's about 1 cent. It's not huge, but every day if you are trading 1 cent right here, so it's good enough. And even if you have like 10,000 tokens, still every single this kind of jump, you end up like $100 or something. Okay, so that's good enough. Every 5-minute time frame. Now soon you will see next third candle will be red. Mark this, 5-minute. Third candle from now will be red and it will sell off. Also overbought on 5-minute time frame. Death cross is coming. One more green candle, second candle or third candle will be red right here. Once we go, once the wick goes here, the candle will be red. Okay. Moving forward to internet computer, we have our position. We are still in profit. We closed our position yesterday. Okay, for the profit. So our entry was 493. We closed our position at 565, right in this area, right here, 560, I think. Yeah, we took the exit right in this wick. Yeah, this is where we took the exit, right here. And I shared in the Discord as well, the exit. So right now, we are looking to buy again. We were looking for 545 area, but what we'll do, right in this area, this is what the pivot point, 548 will buy again today. Another, I think 551, 548, 2 cents, doesn't matter. So all those who are in the Discord listening, go and buy ICP. We have this trend line, blue line coming. It's respecting between 551 to 550. Go and buy ICP now. So internet computer is a buy now. We'll buy, we'll continue holding. We are looking to exit. First price target, again, 631. Second price target, 8.26. So add internet computer. I'll be adding my position once I finish the YouTube video. Why we are buying? Because this week, if you look at, we have already retested the golden zone, 551, this previous candle right here just now, like 15 minutes back. So the price has already tested this one. So any drop right here, try to grab this and then hold your position. Moving forward to Solana. Again, we are in profit. Our break-in is about 142, 142.84. We are in profit. We are continue holding. What we see here is another breakout. This right in this area, you see this resistance right here. What will happen? It will do zigzag pattern, more like it happens on the top generally, like this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breakout right here. So something like this. Something like this. Why it will happen? You see the supply is weakening. There is a next supply is smaller. So if I can't draw all the line, so look at, pay attention to the supply right here. So every time it's coming to this line, this resistance line, and the next one is smaller. You see that this supply came larger, then smaller, and next one will be even smaller. There will be one more supply, even smaller, right here. The price will come back again. There will be a supply like this, right, a little bit, and then it will break out. So you will see the Solana breaking out upside soon. Okay, we are looking at a 5-minute time frame, so most likely you'll see another 2-hour breakout upsides. Okay, so any other stock? Okay, someone asked MTPLF, Meta Planet, I think. MTPLF, Meta Planet. Yes. Okay, this is what we are looking at. All right, I see here right away. If you pay attention, they initially a couple of days back, someone asked, and I told him, do not buy this. Okay, but now let's go to the daily time frame to analysis. On a 5-minute time frame, it looks bullish. This was the area that I highlighted when someone asked me last time. Okay, this is the area that you should be waiting for. It's a T-bar negative. Both EMA has crossed negative. Stock is oversold in a bearish territory. It's still dropping. Let's look at what MCD has for us. You see that the death cross going on. So there is a more downside left. It will pull back. This big candle, the red candle, is giving you some signal that there is a selling side pressure is very high. So there is a down loop yet to come. I would wait around, to be honest, 638 area, or this area to be this. You see this big candle right here? Anywhere above this low, I will buy. Not below, before this low. So the previous low was 558. I should be looking to buy above 558, like $6, $6.31, $6.20. That's the area that you should be looking to buy. Change of character, you see that clearly right here. If I draw the line, you'll see why the change of character. So this low to this low. This candle has crossed this. Change of character means market is bearish. It's change of character, break of structure, mainly used in Forex industry, but it still works on the chart analysis. Okay. So we are bearish on Meta Planet. There is a lot of downside. Yes. What you can do in this one, you can let's say you don't want to miss the train and you think it will break out or recover from here. So you can start accumulating small positions. Let's say you buy 100 share here or 200 share, and then you buy another 200 share right in the previous low, right in this area. So let's say you buy 200 share right in this area, which is 944. Then you buy another 200 area in this previous low, which is $7. And then once you get to this point where the 631 area, this one, then you put as much as possible. So even if this breakout, let's say some news comes, they buy more Bitcoin price goes up. You know, this is very volatile stock. Meta Planet, MSTR, these are not solely based on technical analysis. So these kind of situation, what you do, you hold a small position and then you accumulate right where you know the price is 631 area. You accumulate as much as possible in 638, 631 area right here in support number 1. And more downside you keep buying. But right here, at least you have hold a small position, 200 share, 300 share, and then continue holding, and then keep a next eye on the $7. That another, you double down your position. You buy 200 share here, buy another 200 here, and 1,000 here like this. Okay. So if something positive happen about the company or news or Bitcoin price, at least you don't miss the train. You still have your 200 share to make some dollar on them. Okay. So this is how you trade, especially the high beta stock. You never try to catch the bottom. It's not possible. Tesla, MSTR, Meta Planet, Palantir. Then you have SOXL. Then you have GBTC. Okay. Then you have SOXL. Okay. SMCI. Okay. These kind of stock never wait to catch the bottom. It's not possible. So it's always good to add a small position and then wait for the double down your position. That's a better strategy to buy. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any question or comments, you can put in the comment box and I'll see the Discord number in the Discord with more precise detail. Market is mostly, you will see sideline today. Some stock will go up, some will go down. It's not a one-sided market. It's not bullish, not bearish. It's more of a mixed market. Okay, so good for scalping. Okay, that's the kind of day you are looking at. Scalping on a 5-minute time frame, VWAP strategy will be good. All right, thank you. Bye.